Quick question. Have you ever checked your bank account right after payday and somehow it already looks like a tragic documentary? Because same. You get your first job, feel like a responsible adult for exactly 48 hours, and then rent, bills, taxes, subscriptions, and 3 mystery charges named autopay show up like surprise boss battles. Nobody taught us about credit cards. Nobody explained APR. But somehow we all know how to swipe them like Olympic athletes. This is what happens when you enter adult life with confidence and absolutely zero financial knowledge. And then real life pulls the fire alarm. Flat tire. Repair cost? $300. Emergency fund? 97 cents, and emotional resilience. That's when I finally realize I don't just have a money problem. I don't know how capitalism works, how money works. A migrant African coworker explains, in the US, not knowing about money is the most expensive lifestyle choice. So I start learning, not to become a finance guru, but to stop suffering. Finance bro buffering. Lesson number 1, track spending, because DoorDash is not a personality trait. Lesson number 2, build an emergency fund, not spiritual support, real dollars. Lesson number 3, pay more than the minimum, even if it hurts, because minimum payments are financial purgatory. Lesson number 4, take the 401k employer match, because that is actual free money. Even after the 4 lessons, things didn't turn overnight for me. No hustle montage, no motivational stock music, just real change. Canceled ghost subscriptions, used a budget app, set auto save-ins, paid debt slowly like a disciplined raccoon. As a result, credit score went up, stress down, bank account finally stopped screaming. Same salary, new mindset. Being broke wasn't a vibe, it was a lack of financial literacy. It feels like a real adult upgrade, like doing laundry on time, but instead of losing socks, you stop losing money. If you're in your first job and learning this late, you're not behind. You're ahead of the version of you who would have lived life on minimum payments and vibes. Your future self will say, thanks for not handing me a flaming bag of financial chaos. Start now so you don't end up working forever like an NPC in someone else's cutscene. I'm Common Sense Colin. If this video helped you make sense of your money today, hit that subscribe button to join the community. See you in the next one.